So let's fix where this animation is not going off, so it's just standing still. So to do that, we're gonna close the game and open our prefab, go into the combat player, make sure that it's network behavior and we have mirror activated. Then we're gonna say public network animator and call it in animator. That. Then we will go down to the area where we have the set trigger and we will put it equal to in animator like this. And that was the basic attack. Then we will do the same here like that. So now we have the network animator instead. And then we can try to do it again. So we will build. Now when we are done building, we can log in with both clients. And let's take up a weapon and see. So we can see the animation now, but we get another error, like down here, that is a variable missing. So for fixing the error, we have to go into the animation pass script. So we go into scripts, and I think it's under player animation pass. There we go. And here at the hit, we have to see if the player is actually the local player. So let's see if player control is local player equals to false. Well, then we gonna say return. And when we've done that, we can let it compile and build it again. So now when it's built, we can test it out. So this one will attack and we don't get the error anymore on the console. So now that one is fixed.